Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to convert text to speech using Python. So now here I'll write some text. Hi, my name is Niranjan and your text is successfully converted to speech. So here we get an MP3 file. If we run it,
Hi, my name is Niranjan.
as you can see, it has successfully converted text to speech. So without wasting time, let's start. So let us start our video. So I'll open pypl.org, which is the packet manager of Python, and I'll search gTTS. So gTTS stands for Google Text to Speech. So this is a package provided by Google to convert text to speech. So I'll quickly copy this code and open CMD to run it. So I'll run it. And it has successfully installed. So it may take some time to install. As I am installing for the second time, it took less time. But if you are installing first time, then it will take some more time to install. So now I'll open idle Python, which is our Python IDE, and I'll create a new file to run the code. So I'll keep both of them aside and I'll quickly import from gTTS import gTTS and I'll save the document. So I'll save this as text to speech and I will add a variable called input text is equal to input. Please enter the text you want to convert into speech, and now we have taken the input. So now if I run the module, as you can see, I can write some text, and now I'll add another variable called language is equal to en. So this variable is optional. You can add this inside another variable called final. So I'll add another variable called final. Inside that gTTS and text is equal to, and you have to, as we have used a variable called input text to take the text, we are going to use it here, and lang is equal to, so this is our language and our language is inside a variable called language, and slow is equal to false. So this command says that this speech should be slow or fast, so I'll keep false because I don't want slow text. And now if I run the module, we get only input here as we didn't converted it. So now we will add final, so that is our gTTS text dot save, and you can add the name you want to save, such as text converted dot mp3. So text converted.mp3. So now this document will save as text converted.mp3. So now if I run the module, I can write my name. Hi, my name is Niranjan, and now it has converted. So you can see this mp3 file here. So I'll zoom it a bit. As you can see, we get a file called text converted. If you run it,
Hi, my name is Niranjan. Hi, my name is Niranjan.
as you can see, it has successfully converted to mp3. So Now I will print your file. Your text is successfully converted to speech. And now if I run the module, I can write here, well, please subscribe to Niranjan. And now if I click enter, your text is successfully converted to speech. So I have made a spelling mistake and we get a text converted file here.
Please subscribe code with Niranjan. Please subscribe code with Niranjan.
As you can see, it has successfully converted to mp3 file. So I will run this again. Now please subscribe code with Niranjan and also like this video. And if I click enter, your text is successfully converted to speech. Now if you run the mp3 file,
Please subscribe code with Niranjan, also like this video.
so now
Please subscribe code with Niranjan, also like this video.
mp3 file. So this is how you can convert text to speech using gTTS module. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share it with friends and don't forget to subscribe code with Niranjan too. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.